Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel once again. Hi, I'm Sudip from SKW World. So today in this video we are going to share a very important and interesting topics for all the digital marketers. The thing is, today's topic is how to write a title tag for Google first page rank and to increase the click through rate. We all know that there must be some tricks, so here I'm sharing some syntax with you so that you guys can understand the things in a clear manner. So see, there are various ways to write a good quality title tag, but let's see the syntax over here. Syntax 1 means your brand name followed by your primary keywords, then locations you are targeting, and then the most important thing is call to action. The second syntax is your brand name, primary and secondary keywords, then location followed by your call to action elements. And number 3, primary keywords plus location, then CTA, and after that you can type your brand name, because we all know include primary keywords at the very beginning of the title is most important for better quality optimization, and also your brand name is most important to increase your brand value. So all the three syntax over here you can use any one for your promotions purpose. And for your better understanding, here I've given you some examples of the syntax one, right? So examples of syntax one, you can see brand name equal to skv bold. You will replace your brand name over here, then followed by primary keywords. If primary keywords is SEO company, then it's a primary keyword. And location, we are here in Kolkata, so we have put here only Kolkata. Then call to action means package starts at 3000 per month only. So this is the attractive part of SKW World's SEO service, and that's why we have put all these things over here. So like this way, other two things. If SEO company is our primary keyword, then SEO service, best SEO service must be our secondary keyword. And in the next video we are going to discuss about the types of keywords, so that you can get a clear understanding of what is called primary and what is called secondary. So keep following and watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, right, to get the latest updates. Then see, another call to actions, what we can write: lower cost guaranteed, right? And another one, the syntax number 3 is brand name, right? We can write like this way. You can see, now this is fine. So your primary keyword, so I have included the initial of, right, like best, and it is called LSI keywords, or latent semantic indexing keywords, for better optimization and exposure. Followed by call to actions, we can put the phone number so that people can directly call you, right? And then brand name. So I believe you have got a better understanding of this. So thanks for watching, and let's wait for the next video. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.